The Supreme Court has asked all state governments and union territories to reconsider raising the retirement age of judicial officers from 60 to 61 years, saying financial burden cannot be used as a reason to oppose the move. Hearing a plea seeking a uniform retirement age of 62 years for district judiciary judges across the country, a bench led by Chief Justice Suryakant said the argument of increased financial liability was misconceived and untenable. The court observed that retaining experienced judges could actually cost less than retiring them and filling the vacancies later. The bench, also comprising Justices Joymala Bagchai and V. Mohana, directed all states and union territories to consult their respective high courts and take a decision within 2 weeks. The court said that if a state approves the proposal, judicial officers can continue in service until the age of 61, subject to the final outcome of the case. It also clarified that the benefit should be extended to officers who retired during the intervening period. The petition before the court seeks a uniform retirement age of 62 years for district judiciary judges across India. The issue dates back to a 2002 Supreme Court judgment which rejected the Justice K. Jagannatha Shetty Commission's recommendation to increase the retirement age to 62 years. At present, Supreme Court judges retire at 65 years, High Court judges at 62 years, while judicial officers in most states retire at 60. However, states such as Telangana and Madhya Pradesh have already increased the retirement age of judicial officers to 61 years.